Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To customize bulleting or numbering in PowerPoint on a per paragraph basis, first select the paragraphs in the text containing slide object to change. Selecting the slide object in its object editing mode lets you change all bullets or numbering for all paragraphs in the object. Alternatively, to select only specific paragraphs in a text containing slide object, click and drag over the paragraphs to change in the object. After making your desired selection, then click the drop-down button next to either the bullets or numbering buttons in the paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon, and select the Bullets and Numbering command to open the Bullets and Numbering dialog box. Depending on which button you clicked, either the bulleted or numbered tab appears. You can click either tab to switch between them. To create a custom bullet in PowerPoint, click the Bulleted tab. Then click a bullet character to replace with a custom bullet from the list shown. Then decide if you want to create a custom character or picture bullet. To create a custom character bullet, click the Customize button to open the Symbol dialog box. Then use the Font drop-down to select a bullet font like Wingdings or Webdings. Then click the character to use as your bullet. Then click the OK button to set the selected character as your new bullet and return to the Bullets and Numbering dialog box. Set the percentage of the size of the adjacent text to make the bullet by using the size spinner. Then use the Color drop-down to set the bullet color. Then click the OK button in the Bullets and Numbering dialog box to apply the bullets to the selected paragraphs. Alternatively, to create a picture bullet in PowerPoint instead of a character bullet, click the Picture button instead of the Customize button on the Bulleted tab of the Bullets and Numbering dialog box to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Then click the button for the desired method to use to insert a picture. Then select the desired picture in the associated dialog box that appears for the selected picture type. After selecting the image to use, click the Insert button in this dialog box to apply your picture bullet to the selected paragraphs. Alternatively, to apply custom numbering in PowerPoint, click the Numbered tab in the Bullets and Numbering dialog box instead of the Bulleted tab. Then select the numbering or sequential lettering style to customize from the listing shown. Set the percentage of the size of the adjacent text to make the numbering by using the Size spinner. Then use the Color drop-down to set the numbering color. Then click the OK button to apply the numbering to the selected paragraphs.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.